So hey folks, welcome back to another video. This is the third video of the NLP playlist series. Let me come into the picture. And yeah, so this video is all about end-to-end engineering, NLP engineering production pipeline blueprint. That means suppose you become NLP engineer like tomorrow, and you assigned a task, right? So what you will gonna do, and what are the stages of process that you will encounter, and we will discuss that so that you have these stages that how NLP application task is performed, right? I have divided this into 4 or even 5, 6, yeah, 6 stages, 6, 7 stages in 4 pages long document. Let's take into this look and understand what were the different stages that you will encounter upon solving any NLP problem. Okay, so first stage is always about finding the problem, framing and architecting the selection. That this stage totally depends on the question, that question frame that has been given to you. Let's say you are asked to do a sentiment analysis. So first stage will be defining the proper problem statement. That means why do you want to do sentiment analysis, and which purpose you want to do a sentiment analysis, right? So that stage is problem framing stages, where you have to clearly define what your problem is, classify your task, whether it is sequential classification, name entity recognition, sentiment analysis, or it is for the machine translation or other things, right? Then you have to paradigm selection, that determines if the problems demand traditional machine learning or the higher side of deep learning, BERT and LLMs, right? Then we have constraint definitions, which says that these are our company conditions and constraints that we cannot violate that. So you have to respect those constraints and work according to those constraints, that either they are asking you to work on a GPU or CPUs, whatever their data ranges from, right? Those constraints will be discussed in the first stage. And then second stage is always about data collection and curation, where you will collect the data. It could be warehouses, it could be lakes, data lakes, it could be data marts, right? So it could be reviews, customer sentiment, right? Customer demographic files. So those all data collection is all about, right? Then you have the multiple data sources, where you will found data API streams, web scrapings, SQL, NoSQL, okay, PDFs. These are the data sources where you will collect the data. And then you have to do labeling, annotation, right? Setting up the annotation schemas using tools like labels, Kudo and other things. You have to first craft your data for which you giving your model to train on, right? Then third stage is data pre-processing and cleaning pipeline, where now you have when at the stage of 3 you have your data, but you have to clean that data to feed into the model, as the famous line in the machine learning side, garbage in, garbage out. So you have to respect that line and and first do data pre-processing, cleaning steps, and those cleaning steps could be noise removal, normalization, stop word removals, right? Representations. And then you will enter to the stage 4, where you will do feature engineering, vectorization, embedding storages. This stage is all about creating some new features out of the features, right? Like length of word in a length of sentences in a particular review could be the one feature, right? This kind of feature engineering you will do. And then you will do also vectorization, embedding techniques, right? Don't worry, we will discuss those, right? Then we have stage 5, where we will train our model, fine tune it, and prompt. And this stage also deals with prompt engineering, where you refine your model a little bit, no? And the stage 6 is all about evaluation metrics, evaluation and validation frameworks, where you will validate your model, how good it produce the result, how good it train on data, and how better it do the task that is given, right? And these stages interchanges to one another, as once your model is trained, you evaluate it. If you are not satisfied with your model, you will go to the stage 5, or even go to the stage 4, where you will create feature engineering, right? And then go to the other same stages, and then do this in a loop, so that you have the perfect model for your tasks that you've been doing, right? And then we have stage 7, where you will encounter the real world and do the monitoring part, where you will do certain report generation on the how your model is performing on the real world data, and how well it is aligned to the task that has been given out to, right? And to be honest, to be very fair, I don't know the stage of 7. I am not working right now in the MLOps or in the real world application deployment part, but I should be learning that. And in the journey of NLP, I will show you the modeling part, but I think in this playlist we will not discuss about the stage 7 modeling optimization. And openly I'm saying that whoever is working in the MLOps and ML modeling optimization and monitoring part, please do connect to me, and I will love to learn from them, right? So this was the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.